In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Teachable. Exporting your contacts lets you segment your audience, analyze engagement, and keep accurate records outside your school. Here's how to do it smoothly and securely. First, sign into your Teachable school as the owner or an admin. Only these roles have the permissions needed to export user data. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Users. This is your central hub for viewing everyone associated with your school. Before exporting, it's a good idea to narrow down exactly who you want included. Use the Filters option at the top of the Users page to segment your list. You can filter by role, like students, or by when someone signed up, which is helpful for pulling a specific time range. Applying thoughtful filters keeps your export focused and easier to work with later. If you're dealing with a large audience, exporting in smaller segments can speed things up and reduce clutter. With your filters applied, look to the top right of the user's page and click Export CSV. Teachable will prepare the file in the background and send a download link to the school owner's email address. If you're an admin and not the owner, make sure you coordinate with the owner so they can retrieve the file for you. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or promotions folder just in case the message lands there. For security and accuracy, the download link in that email has a time limit. Be sure to click and download the file promptly. If the link expires, simply run the export again using the same steps. This time limit helps protect user data and ensures you're working with a fresh, up-to-date snapshot. When you open the CSV, you'll typically see the fields that matter most for contact management and reporting. You'll get the user ID, which uniquely identifies each account, alongside the full name and email address. If your school collected it, you may also see a phone number. Activity fields like last login date and the sign-up date, often labeled Joined At, help you understand recent engagement and growth over time. You'll also see Course Count, which shows how many courses each user is enrolled in, and any tags you've applied, making it easy to recognize segments you use for organization or marketing. Handle the exported file responsibly, store it securely, and keep it accessible to only the people who truly need it. That's all there is to exporting contacts from Teachable: simple, clear, and ready to use.